Hey, have you watched any good movies lately? Yeah, I just watched a thriller called The Silent Chase. It was really intense. Oh, nice. I love thrillers. What was it about? It is about a detective who tries to solve a mysterious disappearance. The plot twists were crazy. Sounds interesting. Who is the main actor? It stars Ryan Cooper. He played the detective and did a great job. I've heard his name. Was the movie fast-paced? Yes, very fast-paced. From start to end the tension never dropped. Nice. I enjoy movies like that. Did you watch it alone? Yeah, I watched it last night at home. Cool. Do you usually watch movies at night? Mostly, because nights are quieter and I can focus more. Same here. Nighttime movies hit differently. Exactly. The atmosphere feels better. Did the movie have good background music? Oh yes. The music added so much suspense. I love when soundtracks are powerful. Me too. Music can change the whole mood of a film. So would you recommend The Silent Chase? To me, 100%. I think you will enjoy the twists. Nice. I'll watch it this weekend. Let me know your review after watching it. Sure, I always like sharing opinions after movies. Same. It's fun to discuss plots and theories. By the way, what is your favorite movie genre? I like thrillers and sci-fi. What about you? I am into action and mystery mostly. Nice. Mystery movies are always interesting. Yeah, especially ones with clever endings. Exactly. A smart ending makes the movie unforgettable. Speaking of sci-fi, have you watched Galactic Echoes? Yes, that movie was visually stunning. I love the storyline too. So emotional. True, the ending almost made me cry. Same here. It was deep. The character development was perfect. Did you watch it in theater or online? Online, but I regret not watching in a theater. Yeah, the visuals deserved a big screen. For sure, space scenes look way better on big screens. I usually go to theaters for sci-fi movies. Good choice. It enhances the experience. What about animated movies? Do you like them? Yes, I love animated movies, especially Pixar ones. Same. Pixar always delivers emotional stories. Absolutely. They blend humor and emotion perfectly. Which Pixar movie is your favorite? Probably Inside Out. What about you? I think Coco. It was beautiful. Oh yes. Coco was amazing. The music was fantastic. And the theme of family was heartwarming. Totally agree. I cried at the ending. Same here. It was emotional. Pixar knows how to touch hearts. Do you watch horror movies too? Sometimes, but only with friends. Haha, same. Watching alone is scary. Yes, I can't handle horror alone. Which horror movie scared you the most? Probably The Whispering House. I've heard that one is super scary. It is. The sound design was terrifying. Sound plays a big role in horror. Definitely. Even small noises feel creepy. Did you scream while watching? A few times. It was intense. Haha, that is fun though. Yeah, horror with friends is always fun. Do you prefer jump scares or psychological horror? Psychological. Jump scares feel cheap sometimes. I agree. Psychological horror stays in mind longer. Exactly. It makes you think even after the movie ends. Do you follow any movie reviewers? Yes, I follow a YouTube channel called Filmscope. Nice. I'll check it out. They do great breakdowns and analyses. Cool. I love deep analysis videos. Same. They make movies feel even better. Do you rewatch movies often? Only my favorites. Do you? Yes, especially thrillers. I notice new details every time. Exactly. Rewatching thrillers is fun. Do you ever pause to predict endings? Sometimes. It makes the movie more interactive. Did you ever predict a twist correctly? Rarely. Most movies surprise me. That's the best feeling, being surprised. Absolutely. Plot twists make movies memorable. What's a twist that shocked you the most? The twist in Hidden Truth blew my mind. I remember that movie. Amazing twist. Yes, totally unexpected. Movies with smart writing are rare now. True, but some still stand out. Agreed. Quality over quantity. Exactly. Have you watched any recent comedy films? Yeah, I watched Weekend Chaos last week. Was it funny? Yes, I laughed from start to finish. Nice. I need a good comedy. Watch it. It is light and fun. Do you like rom-coms? Sometimes. Depends on the story. Same. Some are too predictable. Yes, but some are sweet. Which rom-com did you enjoy recently? Love in Paris. It was simple but charming. I've seen its poster. Looks cute. Yeah, the vibe is very warm. Do you watch foreign films too? Yes, I enjoy Korean and Spanish films. Same here. They have great storytelling. Absolutely. Very emotional and intense. What was the last Korean movie you watched? Forgotten. It was a psychological thriller. I love that one. Great acting. Yes, the lead actor was excellent. Korean thrillers are always top-notch. Totally agree. Have you watched any documentaries lately? Yes, I watched wildlife documentary. Nice. Nature documentaries are calming. Yes, and very informative. Do you like crime documentaries? Sometimes, but not too dark ones. Yeah, some are too disturbing. Exactly. I prefer lighter ones. Do you watch movies every week? Mostly. It is my way of relaxing. Same. Movies help me unwind. Totally. A good movie changes your mood. Do you ever watch movies while eating? Yes, especially during dinner. Same. It is the perfect combo. Food plus movie equals best feeling. Absolutely. So what will you watch tonight? Maybe a thriller. Any recommendation? Try Nightfall Mystery. It's gripping. Okay, adding to my list. Let me know your rating later. Sure. Enjoy the movie.